All right, we got day 2. The liner is in. We're just getting a little water up to this part. That way we start putting the side fixtures on. We got the sucking the air out to get all the wrinkles out. And we're almost one more day into it. This should be complete. After that, we got pressure washing, changing outlets, changing TVs, painting doors. We got a patio going there. Patio going there. Got the steps cut out. So yeah, pretty much almost a wrap. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.